Local Law 97 requires your building to meet strict emissions limits beginning in 2024. The compliance report is due May 1st, 2025, and all buildings over 25,000 square feet must comply.
There are two paths to compliance. Your building can remain below its 2024 and 2030 carbon emissions limits by retrofitting or upgrading your building systems to reduce carbon emissions, or by purchasing renewable energy credits or greenhouse gas offsets. If your building has 35% or more rent-regulated units, you can complete a list of prescriptive measures in lieu of meeting emissions limits.
Our project team specializes in helping boards navigate their building's path to Local Law 97 compliance. New York City projects nearly every building will require a deep energy retrofit to meet its emissions targets. Your solution? A customized retrofit roadmap.
The first step is to undertake a comprehensive energy audit to understand your building's current energy usage.
The results will identify operational improvements, equipment for replacement, and potential upgrades that can reduce emissions.
The feasibility study is an essential tool for planning the sequence of work so that your building achieves maximum emissions reductions and cost savings with minimal disruption to residents. To create your roadmap report, we'll start by reviewing your building's energy and utility data consumption, water utilities data, previous studies, existing building system issues, and capital plans. We'll also verify its carbon emission caps, potential Local Law 97 fines, and projected energy letter grade. Next, we'll conduct a detailed survey of the existing building systems and components. Our team will assess up to 3 potential pathways to meet your compliance goals, and will evaluate alternative compliance measures if your building qualifies. To help you achieve the greatest return on your investment, we coordinate our recommendations with your current capital and financial plans, other compliance obligations such as Local Law 11 work, facility operation plans, contracted services, and energy management systems. Our analysis will be summarized in a customized retrofit roadmap report that includes up to 3 viable options to reach compliance: a shallow or base retrofit roadmap, and 2 options for deep energy retrofit roadmaps. For each option, we'll analyze estimated reductions in carbon emissions, energy and cost savings, Local Law 97 fines, required construction, phasing considerations, impact on your residents, and other retrofit benefits such as improved comfort and amenities. Your final report will include distributed generation options, low-hanging energy conservation measures, alternative compliance measures for rent-regulated buildings, covering carbon offset and renewable energy credit options, and it will also summarize available incentive programs and financing opportunities. Finally, your report will include a projected energy grade based on the proposed roadmaps. Your Retrofit Roadmap report will help your board assess and prioritize energy efficiency and carbon reduction options in order to make well-informed decisions on the best path to reducing emissions, lowering annual utility costs, reducing operations and maintenance costs, extending equipment life, and increasing occupant comfort. If the scope of work meets the eligibility criteria for NYSERDA's FlexTech program, your building will be reimbursed 100% of the study costs.
Our team brings expertise in engineering, energy management, construction and project management, property operations, capital planning, financing, and incentives.
We focus on achieving whole building, deep energy and carbon savings by assessing your building through the lens of each of our areas of specialization.
This allows us to think bigger to help your building perform better. While the road to compliance may seem overwhelming, with the right plan and the right partners, your board can turn this obligation into an opportunity for long-term success.
Our team has helped to improve energy efficiency in New York City condos and co-ops for nearly 50 years. We look forward to partnering with your board to navigate your building's path to Local Law 97 compliance.